Okay, let's add a couple of forms. Sites, forms, builder, create new. The form auto-populates. Let's have a look and see if there's a theme. I like this one, nice and easy. We can delete a section like the first name, for example, leaves us with the last name. Let's add it back in, first name added in. Let's make it required, last name, phone, email, terms and conditions. Let's get rid of this to make it simple for now, just for demonstration purposes. We can edit what our button must say. We can add some subtext if we would like to. Let's delete the second terms and conditions. We can also make these linkable as well. Change the text, save. Colors and background. This will just change the background for the form, but not the whole area. This is an image in the background. If we delete that, it removes the whole background. Let's add in a message box. We'll do a multi-line. Edit this to say message. We can add in a short label and we'll make the query message 1, make it required. Let's try a auto dealer template. Automotive. I like this one. There we go. That looks good. Press continue. Right, let's edit. Full name, required. Phone, required. Enable country picker. Preferred contact method. Options. There's your 3 options. Phone, email, SMS. Are you looking for new, used, or open to both? These are under the options. Preferred features. For this particular service, we don't need this, but you can see we can add multiple options in there. Let's add in a message box. Let's edit this. Message. Query key, we'll do message 2 because the first one was message 1. Make it required. Let's move this around. And this we can make 100% full width. Let's edit the terms and conditions to reflect our brand. Now we can edit the button and we can remove terms and conditions for now. We always recommend that it is in there. We just don't have that set up for this particular brand yet. We can delete the background image if we like. Delete. This is an image over here. You can create that in Canva. For this example, I'll delete it here and save. That's it. Nice and simple.